This video is gonna be based on toilet fill valve and another different type of they call it the Ballcock valve. So we're gonna be the first thing we're gonna do to show you the inside. What we have in the inside is basically the standard toilet fill valve. We're gonna remove the cover for the water tank. Again, we're gonna place it flat on the floor. Then again, before we do anything, we're gonna cut the water off. Before we do anything, we're gonna cut the water off. So as you can see, we already drained some of the water and we already cut our water off. So that's the main reason why you don't hear the water running. This is a standard fill valve. A lot of time, by your fill valve being so old, and if your water is running constantly, so that means you basically wasting money, and on top of that, you're basically wasting water. If you're wasting water, you're wasting money. So one of the way you can actually go by fixing that is make sure that your flapper is good. Make sure that your flush valve, which is this one, this whole thing down there, is good. It's not cracked. Everything is good. That's your flush valve. Okay? This whole thing right here. This is your fill valve. So as long as you make sure that the hose that goes connect to your fill valve going this hole right there, that's where your water come from, and it's go inside your flush valve. As long as you make sure all these components are actually good, then your best option is basically to replace your fill valve. You can adjust it by here, but that's only adjust how much water that you want the tank to be filled up with. But a lot of time, if you cannot do anything about it and it's so old, I suggest you go ahead and replace it. And I'm gonna show you the other type of fill valve called the Ballcock. If your toilet has this kind where it has the Ballcock, to adjust that, a lot of time it's basically with this screw right here. You insert a Phillips screwdriver, just like so, and if you tighten it a little bit, that would determine how much water that you want for the water tank to actually fill up. If you unscrew it, that means like you want more water. To tighten it, you don't want less water. To loosen it up, you want more water. As far as this screw right there, if your water keeps running, you can tighten this just a little bit. But if you try both options and none of them work, and you can tell when something looks old and you need to be replaced, you can go ahead and replace them. You can replace it with the same kind or the same type, or you can replace it with the standard. Because me personally, I would rather replace it with the standard because the standard real cheap. Anytime something happens, you can actually go ahead, get 3. They come in a pack for less than $10 at Home Depot or Lowe's.